Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FUSZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis several times in the past, so that is where these red line and green line annotations are coming from. And I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today. So definitely some updates here need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of a couple of these lines here and here. Yeah, these lines still pertain to the chart, but they're just not relevant. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. So let's just try to keep this as clean as possible from an analysis standpoint. First update, though, that does need to be made comes from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So going forward, the ideal level of support, meaning Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest if you were to ask me? I'd say right up there at 63 cents. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below that level, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above that 63 cent mark, that would definitely be a huge sign of power on the bull's part. Now, taking a step back and looking at things from a bigger picture perspective, so this definitely assumes you have a broader time horizon. But that's where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, this purple line is going to continue to move itself higher and higher. So from a very simplistic point of view, again, assuming you have a broader time horizon, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves itself higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, the price movement's in full health. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, preferably staying up above 63 cents would be ideal, but from the big picture, grand scheme of it all, as long as the price stays above that purple line, bulls are 100% in control of the trend. What about areas of resistance? In terms of where the sellers are at, pretty straightforward right now. The party stopped today right up there around 71 cents. So 71 cents, public enemy number one going into tomorrow. But all in all, really, as long as the price just keeps on doing what it's been doing in terms of building these higher bases as you've seen, or in other words, just staying above this purple line as it continues to work its way upwards, then yeah, you can just sit back and let the chart do its thing. So nice move today. Great way to start the week. We'll see how much further the bulls can build this uptrend. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.